Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig Mermaid and Suzy Sheep Mermaid. It's going to be so magical. Let's dive in. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Suzy Sheep Mermaid, starting with her bright little eyes, just like this. Now, let's draw her nose and her happy, smiling mouth. What a sweet smile! On top of her head, I'll draw a cute starfish and some sea snails. Wow, she looks like a real ocean princess. Next, let's draw her face and her two fluffy ears. I'll keep going by drawing her body and her little hands. Look here. She's wearing a pretty necklace with a starfish and a seashell. How adorable! This necklace is made from sparkling pearls. So fancy! If you're having fun, remember to click the like button. That way, I can make even more awesome videos for you. Now, let's draw Suzy's magical mermaid tail. Swish, swish. Right next to Suzy, I'll draw Peppa Pig Mermaid. Let's start with her eyes. Twinkle, twinkle. Then her happy smile and her cute little cheek under her eye. Next comes her nose, boop. Then her round face and her two tiny ears. Peppa is wearing a beautiful mermaid dress. She also has a necklace with two bright starfish and a seashell, so colorful. Now let's draw Peppa's swirly mermaid tail. Push! On her head, I'll draw a pretty seashell, just like a real mermaid queen. Now it's time to make our drawing stand out. I'll use this black marker to outline everything. Ta-da! Let's start coloring. Yay! First, I'll use cream to color Suzy's cheek. Here comes some yellow, so sunny and bright. A little sky blue, just like the ocean. Now I'll color Suzy's dress pink. So lovely! Let's add some red and gray too. Awesome! Next, I'll color Peppa's cheek with a soft pink boop. For the seashell on Peppa's head, I'll use a bright red. Then, I'll color her to starfish pink. So cute! Again. Can you feel the sea breeze? I'll also color Peppa's dress and her mermaid tail with this beautiful sky blue. Finally, I'll use a light pink watercolor to paint her skin. So soft and sweet. Our mermaid drawing is almost finished. Wow, you did an amazing job. Stay colorful, stay happy. If you had fun, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to see you in the next magical adventure. Goodbye, little artists.